Today we're going to talk about the 1099s you'll receive as a non-employee and the W-9 that you have to fill out so the business knows how you want to be 1099'd. Depending on your situation, you might be receiving 1099s and issuing 1099s for subcontractors that did work for you. So until tax year 2020, the 1099 miscellaneous was the form that subcontractors received from businesses that paid them more than $600 in a calendar year. And while the 1099 miscellaneous is still used for other payments, non-employee compensation is now reported on a 1099 NEC, which stands for non-employee compensation. So it's the form dedicated to independent contractors that are not paid as W-2 employees. Now this is an important distinction. W-2 employees have the benefit of having the business they're working for pay half of their Social Security and Medicare taxes. And they also have the option to pay in federal, state, and local income taxes with every paycheck. A subcontractor, or an independent contractor, or a 1099 worker, whatever you want to call it, it's all the same thing, does not have the same luxury as an employee. So when you receive 1099 income, you're a business, and you're not only responsible for paying your own expenses and tracking them to be used as allowable tax deductions, but you also have to pay ordinary income tax on that income and self-employment tax. Self-employment tax is basically both halves of the Social Security and Medicare tax, which equal about 15%. However, before you can even get a 1099 NEC issued to you at year end to show exactly how much you earned in a given year, you have to fill out a W-9 and give it to the business you're doing work for. So that W-9 will tell them how your entity is structured, which entity name to use, which address to use, and the business's EIN. The W-9 also informs the business if you're just a sole proprietor and you want them to use your Social Security number when issuing you a 1099. Filling out the W-9 communicates all relevant information to the business so that they have all of your information and can fulfill their required duties, which is to send you a copy of your 1099 and also send a copy to the IRS.